My name is David Koenig. I'm the President and Chief Executive Officer of the DCRO Institute. The DCRO Institute is a collaboration among board members and C-suite executives around the world, and we're focused on helping organizations to achieve their goals better through a better governance of risk-taking. Well, this is a really important question, especially for risk professionals who want to be effective in their communications with the board. You have to realize that there's a difference between what a board does and what management is responsible for doing. Boards, for example, are focused on strategy and long-term objectives, and they hire the chief executive officer to lead the execution of plans towards achieving those objectives. That's where management takes over. So when risk people are trying to be effective in their communication with board members, they need to put it into the mindset of someone who's thinking long-term, thinking strategy, and thinking about how it is that the organization is structured to achieve goals. If we focus on loss, if we focus on controls or regulations, oftentimes we're missing the mark when we're talking to the board. Now, the board hands off this responsibility to the chief executive, and the chief executive then hands off responsibility throughout the organization to the management teams. Working with management is about the actual risk management of the pursuit of these goals. Now, that might sound like I'm being a bit cute in the differentiation between risk governance and risk management, but risk management is day-to-day. It's tactical. It's the decisions you make in terms of the kinds of risks you're going to take, how much you're going to take, when you take them, the reporting, the oversight, all of that stuff that the board isn't necessarily concerned with because they're not involved in the day-to-day. So when you have an opportunity to talk to a board or to a board member, remember to put things in the context of achieving strategic goals in the long term, a positive focus on the governance of risk-taking, and you'll be more successful.